All right, hello AP Computer Science students. Just want to give you a very warm welcome back. I guess digital learning welcome back, but I hope you're all doing well and enjoyed your time off. I spent most of my time looking up a definition for bumpkin just to make sure I knew exactly what a bumpkin was, and then a lot of time coming up with Mitchell jokes. I got some pretty good ones. Class ever resumes. I think they're gonna be pretty good. At any rate, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what distance learning is going to look like for computer science. There's a lot of online resources I think will be really good. So you'll be doing some programming. Hopefully you got your computers at home still. Um, you can program on them. Remember, just keep those computers nice. Don't be using food and drink around them. Just appreciate treating the school's property well. But besides programs, there'll be the coding bat stuff, which I think is really good. The AP site has a lot of good exercises for you to work on, so we'll be doing some stuff from there, along with video lessons. Okay, so every day is going to be a little bit different, but I just wanted to highlight some big things. They're all out here on Schoology. First one is the district. This is a big change, but they said only 30 minutes per class per day, so it's going to be pretty short and sweet most days. I'm not going to plan a ton of stuff, but yeah, so that's one big change, right? And here's more detailed stuff if you want to read over it right on the top of Schoology there. Another change I'm going to do is if you want help or just say hello or whatever, I'm going to do some online help sessions, kind of like office hours online. Right now I'm shooting to do 9:30 to 10 every day for computer science. So here's the directions. This is again on Schoology of how to get in. Not It's optional. And then if you just want to come and say hi, ask a question about something, you can do that. All right. And then as far as the lessons go, I'll just do them week by week like this. So you can see our first week here. If you open it up, you can see all the different days. And this is going to be a bunch more recursion stuff, and there's directions and all this stuff right inside of there. All right. You can also post questions. I think a really good thing to do is if you have questions, post them here on this blog, and then I can make a video responding to your answer. All right. So I think that's a really, really good thing for you to make use of if you have questions. Right. That might even be better than the office hours, but either route is a way to get your questions answered. And always you can just email too. All right. I'm also updating everything on the calendar so you can kind of see if you want to see for our first day here, you can click on it. And then I also linked it right in. So everything's in the folders, right? So I don't put a lot here. Just if you want a link, that'll link you right into the week one folder here. All right. And so in here, it's got some announcements, and there are some actually huge changes to the AP for all the AP tests. So I would encourage you to read through all of this. Um, just the highlights, I guess, is the AP exam now is only going to be 45 minutes taken at home. And their AP is still working on what exactly it's going to look like. But my guess for computer science is it's going to be just a couple free response questions, no multiple choice. So April 3rd, the AP is going to give us more information. But for now, all we know is it's 45 minutes at home, right? They cut out a few chapters too. So you don't have to know everything. Um, and what else is there to highlight? Oh, you can drop it if you feel like this has messed you up and you no longer want to take the test. You can drop it and get your money back. I guess the only other thing I'll highlight is, like the cheating obviously becomes an issue when you're doing it from home, but they're going to be smart about it. If 7 kids from St. Michael turn in the exact same code, they're going to be able to figure out that that probably wasn't done fairly. So just when you do the test, take them and have integrity. Okay, so at any rate, for today, you can just get into March 30, and then the directions are right in there. There's a review video and then one coding bat problem for you to try, and a little blog about what you've been doing. I think that's all I got for this video. So if I missed anything, or you still have any questions or can't find something, please email me or put a question on the blog. I hope you all are doing well. All right, take care. Bye.